guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about Poshmark. I think I will do maybe like 3 or 4 videos. Either I've already done them or I'm going to do even more videos on about Poshmark. Just the process, me starting this business, a couple of videos. I'm not going to burden you guys too much on the videos about Poshmark, but I do want to give you guys a few videos about that. I know I did another video about just me putting the stuff on the site, on the Poshmark site, and just going through that motion and all this other stuff. But you guys, I got my first ever sold item purchase. Okay, I finally made a sale, you guys. I started on September 3rd, like September 3rd, and we are literally on the 8th. So calculate that. That's not too bad to be on Poshmark and then being able to sell at least one item. I do have more items, you guys. I literally have 66 items on my Poshmark. I will show you guys that right there so you'll see it. I got 66 on my Poshmark items. So obviously you guys can shop to your drop, honestly, and you can add bundles and stuff. All my stuff is affordable prices. It's $30 or less. The most expensive price that I have on my Poshmark is the apple bottom purse, the vintage apple bottom purse. I've had this for a very long time, and I think on my website I put $100 for the purse. The reason why I did $100 is because honestly it's vintage. I don't think people sell apple bottoms like that, and if they do sell it, I don't think it's like that. So I'm gonna just pop up a picture right here about the item. So pop, okay, that's the item right there of the bag. That's the only thing that's really $100. Everything else is $30 or less. If the prices are too expensive for you guys, you can always make an offer and do it like that. You know, I can accept the offer or counter the offer, but you can make an offer about the price that you want to pay, and I'll see if I can, you know, adjust the price and let you pay that instead of the amount that it's listed. So I'll do that for you guys. I have like people who have liked the photos and everything, liked these the list and like the descriptions and all this other stuff, the pictures and all that. They like the photos, like the descriptions, and I think there's like a little heart on the side, so you know they heart it and see, oh, I like it, da 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 da. Or you can add it to your bundle if you want to buy more things. I think my seller bundle, I think you get 10% off 2 items if it's a bundle. So I try to do that so make it a little bit simpler for you guys. I'm about to go on my website and show y'all. Yeah, so I give 10% with a bundle discount. So if you get like I think 2 items or more, you get 10% off. I might make it 3 items or more and then get 15% off. I still gotta, you know, decide on if I want to do that or not. But that's a little bit of, you know, how you can get sales or whatever the case may be. So yeah, you guys, I'm still new to this. Like I said, I started on the 3rd, September 3rd, and it is literally the 8th. So you do the math, you decide how long that is. But I'm super excited. I got my first order, like I said before, and I'm super excited. I also went on Amazon because I didn't know that I was literally going to have a sale. I did not know I was going to, like, you know, like you put the items on there, but you never really think, oh my god, they're going to really, like, they're going to sell. So one item did sell, and I'm super excited about that. I know it's only one item, but you know, I still am happy for the littlest things. So yeah. So thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jen, for buying from my Poshmark site. I do appreciate it. You are literally the first person who has looked at my closet and bought from my closet. So thank you so much. Thank you for the people who actually put my stuff in their bundles to, you know, get a good deal out of it. Thank you for those. With the bundles, they put it in their bundles, but sometimes I give them an offer, whatever the case may be, and I don't really hear from them after I give them the offer, I don't really hear from them. I gotta see how that, you know, operates or that works. I gotta watch more videos on Poshmark and all that other stuff. But honestly, YouTube has been the source for me for watching all Poshmark videos. Honestly, I've been watching so many videos on just Poshmark, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and just do my own video about Poshmark. So yes, I got my first order, you guys. Like I said, I'm super excited. I'm going to keep saying that until I actually ship this order. But I basically got this poly mailer. I ordered some more, but I got this little poly mailer that has a little what you call that, just a seal, and you seal it. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put tape on here for it. But the item is some biker shorts, and it's $5. Some of the, I have another biker shorts, but I think it's also $5, $5 or $10. Very inexpensive. So yeah, and just look at the descriptions and you'll see. But yeah, I just basically have her thing right here. I weighed it. It doesn't weigh anything, much of anything, honestly. So yeah, and then Poshmark is partnered with USPS, so they give me the shipping labels, which I have here. The shipping label, yeah, there you go. I have the shipping label over there, so that's her shipping label. But this is the item. It's a black biker shorts, and it's sold out on my site. But I do have a lot of biker shorts, so maybe another biker shorts might go up on my site, and you know, all that stuff. But yeah, this was $5, but I do have a lot, literally a lot of items. I have literally 66 items. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got 66 items. Let me go to the top. I got 66 items on there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully. Let's pray. Let's pray. There we go. So yeah, I got 66 items, 47 shares, 12 followers, 273 following. I gotta go back in and start following some of you guys, because you guys have a lot of good items on your Poshmark. So I want to also share your items too as well, so you guys can, you know, get a lot of, you know, people looking on your closet, looking in your closet or your boutique and seeing what they like, and you know, purchasing that. So yeah, I'm gonna do more of that. But I do have a lot, literally a lot of items, like 66. That's crazy. Cute. 66. Woo! And the one thing about Poshmark too, you have to join the parties that they have. Some party, I think one party was like a fall inspired party, shop party thingy, where you put your what you're selling. It has to match the theme, but you put what you're selling, and it just brings more people watching your closet and just seeing what you have to offer and just going by that. So yeah, that's pretty good. But this is a one girl brand type of thing. Honestly, I do mostly everything myself. So yeah, I do everything mostly myself. Just like this YouTube, I do it myself. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, but I'm super happy that I got my first order. And basically I just printed the label. I thought I didn't have ink, so I bought another ink, but it's okay. I'll just save it for when I really need it. So yeah, so I just basically have this. It has a little bubble wrap in there, so I just basically take the item. I bought some of these plastic bags to ship all my clothing items, and then I might buy a couple of boxes for jewelry or whatever the case may be. But I did buy some more of these, so I got that, and it's coming I think tomorrow. So yeah, so that's that. So I put it in here nice and neat. I have a thank you card that's coming, not a thank you card, but one of those thank you stickers, so I'll put that on there as well. And then I will put a card in there as well stating that she's my first she's my first person on Poshmark that's actually bought from my site, bought from my closet. So yeah, and then I also have stuff in my boutique. All the stuff that's in my boutique are new and they have tags. Most of the stuff in my closet are new, but they don't have tags. So that's the difference between my boutique and my closet. My closet has the stuff that I at least wore once. Honestly, y'all, I've worn these clothes literally once, and it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad how you only wear one thing once, and then apparently I just throw it away. I wear it once, I'm like, and then I just don't wear it again. So those are on my Poshmark. Even the ones that I never touched, I didn't even touch, those are on my boutique. So go check all those out. Okay, so yeah, I got stuff in my boutique and I got stuff in my closet. 66 items, y'all. 66 items. So yeah, And I will be adding more. I got a couple of other things too as well from like Fashion Nova that sadly did not fit me. So I have to, you know, get that out of my hands. Some stuff that I bought from Diva Boutique didn't fit me. I still have that set on there. That first set that I always, that I tried in one of my try on hauls and then I never wore it again, obviously. But I put that on my site. So yeah. So let's go back to this little thing right here. So I have this. I'm going to seal it. I'm going to put the thank you card on there, in there. I'm going to put the thank you sticker on there. And I'm going to put her label on top, tape it, or whatever the case may be. I'm going to get a little better on the shipping. Like I said, this is my first order. So yeah, I'm trying to get everything set and ready to go because I don't play about packaging. When I receive packaging, I want it to be top notch. I want it to be really good. If it's not top notch, I want it to at least be good, you know, appealing to the eyes. So I'm gonna try to do that a little bit more. And then I ordered some USPS boxes and flat rate mailers. So yeah, I'm trying to get into it, y'all. This is my business. I'm taking it seriously. So yeah, so I have that, and that's what I'm gonna give to her in this nice package. But yeah, that's really it. Do I have anything else I want to say? Yeah, I have a lot of stuff on my closet, so go ahead and check that out. What else do I want to state? You can make an offer if the prices are way too high for you guys. What else? I'll give you guys my Poshmark down below in the description box, so go check that out. I have accessories too, you guys. I need to really share my accessories more. I got 2 bags on there. I got a lot of jewelry on there. I got clothes, and I might start selling my shoes. There's some shoes that I got from different brands and stuff that they fit me, but maybe I just think they're, you know, I just think they're worth selling. But I haven't sold shoes yet. I'm not going to sell shoes yet until down the line. Right now, I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just exclusively going to be selling lots of clothes, jewelries, clothes, jewelry, what else? Accessories, bags, stuff like that. Sunglasses, probably, like stuff like that I will sell. But that's basically it, you guys. If you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. Thank you guys for stopping by. You guys know I always love when you stop by. We have reached 127 subscribers so far. We are still growing up. We're almost to 130, and then 140, then 150, then 160, then 170, then 180. Then 190, then 200, period. So I'm super excited, you guys, and it's only up from here. But thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Shop my closet down below. I love y'all. Bye.